Yo, what's up, guys? My guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay, so for this lesson, I'm gonna show you two basic riffs. Okay, riffs you can apply when you're on your one chord. Okay, or when you're on a sixth chord. Okay, your some basic riffs that are gonna two basic riffs that are gonna enhance your play and make your plays and sound more good and harmonizing. Okay, so before I move into the lesson, okay. I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay. And I believe this video is going to help you, and if it help you, I want you to give a shout out, okay, onto my YouTube channel. Give a shout out. I would really appreciate that, okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to do the lesson in the key of E, but you can apply it in any key on the guitar fretboard. This is the key of E on the second string here. We have the key of E here. Okay, so if you want to run your scale, you can run your scale from do re mi fa sol la ti do di la so fa mi re do di la do fa mi re do re mi fa sol di la do. Okay, so let's say for instance we are playing on a simple chord progression like do do la la va 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 so 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 do 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 la 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 va va. You can equally play something like me me me. Uh, so you can play something like do do. When the chord progression is going on, you can do do. You can play something. You can play something like okay, something like that. So, 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 okay, so what am I playing there? I'm playing Ti do sol Ti do sol sol. Okay, but I'm hammer on the Ti do. Okay, I'm on the Ti do. Okay. Okay. Then I play mi mi. Okay. Okay, it goes well when you're so that is the number one lick. So the number two licks okay. Okay, so what I'm playing there, I'm playing from this other shape now. I'm playing from this E shape. Do ti la so fa mi re do ti la so fa mi re do. Okay, I'm playing on this shape now. Okay, so you can play from the Latino. Okay, Latino. You hammer on the T and the do. Okay. Yeah. Latino T. You hammer from the La and the T, okay? Yeah, La and the T. Okay, La and the T. Then you pull on. From the T, you pull on to the saw. Okay. From the saw again, you play your saw loud. Okay. Then from this other side, you play from the second string, play from the mi, re, do. Sorry, do, mi, re, do. Then you pull on from that mi, re, do. Okay. Okay. So those kind of riffs could make sounds very well. Sounds good when you're improvising on your worship section, like on the 6 chord, 4 chord, your 5 chord. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and wherever you don't understand in the video, I recommend you to I'd like you to drop your comment on the your challenge in the comment section. Okay, I will give you the reply as soon as possible. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.